Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood crypto trading dashboard, fast access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser or mobile app. Navigate to the Robinhood website or launch the Robinhood app on your device. If you're using a browser, type in www.robinhood.com. If you're on a mobile device, find and tap the Robinhood app icon. Once on the home page, locate the Login button. Click or tap on the Login button. You will be prompted to enter your email address or username. Type in your registered email address or username. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Ensure your password is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your email or authentication app for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the required field. After filling in your login credentials, click or tap the Login button again. Wait a moment for the system to process your login. You should be directed to your Robinhood account dashboard. From here, locate the crypto section to access crypto trading features. Explore the features available to manage and trade your cryptocurrency assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.